Hello, this is J.B. Walton from the Big Easy to Kentwood, Louisiana. As you can see, my cat is out. Chickens are out looking for food. They're always looking for bugs. My husband cut the grass, and I guess there's a lot of bugs. Cats don't seem to be bothered with them, and they don't bother the cats. Okay, Sophia, what's your problem? I'm going to try to walk around him because he likes to walk in front of me enough for me to trip over. The chicken's been locked up for about 4 days. So they all out. My husband let them out. And the rain is about to come. I don't too particular let them out when it's raining like this. It's coming though. And my cat, he around my legs, bothering me for more food. Go over there and bother the chickens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All 10 of them out. Let's see how many eggs I have. I only have one rooster, 9 hens and 1 rooster. Let me get over here before the rain catches me. That's what they do. They follow me and they look for something special. I don't have anything special today. Let's see if y'all done made me some eggs here. I should have 9 eggs. Let's see how many I got. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 of them haven't laid any eggs. Let me see if they drop them somewhere. Kind of late though. But if you like my channel, please subscribe. This is J.B. Walton from the Big Easy to Kentwood, Louisiana. And thank you all for watching. And have a blessed day.